Welcome to Manotick Stringworks. Glad to have you here. Please remember to like and subscribe for more video content. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. So today I've got a short video for you. I often get questions about straplocks. Should I use them? And if I do use them, which brand should I use? What style? And I always recommend the Dunlop Straplok Dual design. So they've gone through a few generations, but this is the one that I always recommend. And I'll leave a product link in the description box below the video. And why do I like these? Well, there's a lot of reasons why I like these. So this is a dual design, so it means you can use them with the retaining clip, or you can use them just as a regular strap button. So if you don't have strap locks on your strap, you just hook it around the strap button. So these are a lot better than the style here. I've got some, I think there's like Shaler, however you say it, style ones. So a lot of people have seen these. The problem with these is you have to pull them to get them off, and it doesn't always, when you're got the strap on and fiddling with it, and they're really bulky too. Look, I'm even having a hard time getting it back on. There we go. You know, they stick up quite a bit, and you know, really you can only use them for that. So I'm not a huge fan of these ones. I'd rather install the Dunlop one. So here, let me put these on one of my bases and I'll show you. So just to show you the component parts before we put it on the base. So we'll take all the pieces out. So we have our strap buttons, and you can see the design, right? So that'll hold a regular strap, no problem. And you've got the little felt washers, don't forget those. Then you actually have the component that goes on your strap, and I'll show you how that installs. So that's 3 pieces. So your little plunger release, you have a washer, and you have a ring, a retaining ring. So these are the pieces. And they're interchangeable, so if you've got chrome ones, black ones, whatever, they all work together, so it's no problem. Alright, so let's get that base. Alright, let's get the old ones off. You'll see for the strap button at the bottom of the body, just put a block or something nice and soft and lift it up. It'll be a lot easier to get the screwdriver in. Alright, so just install the Dunlop Straplok button here. It's a little bigger screwdriver. There we go. And sometimes you have to fill the holes, sometimes you have to drill them deeper. It all depends, so no 2 guitars will be the same. Usually it's just a straight swap. Alright, let's do the front horn. So I can usually start it with a little bigger screwdriver, and then it tapers down inside there, so at some point I can't get that in anymore, so use a little slimmer, smaller one. Oh, there's a bad squeak. Okay. good. So this is what I like about the dual design strap lock. So here's just a regular leather guitar strap. Obviously it doesn't have the strap lock retainers, so I can just hook that on. And there you go. So someone can use this guitar without the specialty strap locks. So let's look at how we install the actual little retainer that goes on the strap. So you need call that a grommet. You have a washer. I'll call this the little plunger. It's the plunger release. And then there's a little lock ring right here. So if we take that grommet, so this is the outside of our strap, right? So I'll put that there. We'll put the little plunger in the middle. So this you've got to push right through and make sure you get it down as far as it'll go. Because you'll need to have space to insert that little clip, the locking clip. Now with some straps you might have to cut the leather, the hole a little bigger. It all depends. So this one we might be good. Now we're going to put the washer down. And then we're going to get that retaining clip. So you'll see, I don't know if you can see it well, but there's a little notch right there where this retaining clip goes in. Sometimes you can push it in with your fingers, sometimes you need a little help. So usually I'll get a pair of pliers. I'll just push it in. Oh, almost there. There we go. So you can see that's good and tight, and it's never going to come off. So the action on this is nice because all you do is push in with your thumb and it releases. So I'll show you on the bass we just did. So obviously this isn't the right end to put into the bottom of your bass on this particular strap. Normally you would do it on the thin part, but this is more of like an acoustic guitar strap. But just to demonstrate here, so the plunger, so when you want to put it in, you just press the plunger, and you see that's not coming out. Spins around 360, and when you want it out, and you just push on the plunger. It's actually a lot easier when you've got the bass on your shoulder. So that's why I like this. And again, you can use this strap button just like a regular strap button. So dual purpose. These are awesome. I totally recommend these, and I have them on all my basses and guitars. So here's the strap that I use for my basses. So I have this one strap, and because all my basses have the strap lock, I can just unclip, put them on another bass, change basses, whatever. So here, I'll show you. In, we're all done. Hey, just want to show you the cool hoodie, right? My wife got me. I think in the last video I showed it. Manotick Stringworks. I like it. So, we've put the strap on. Here. I think we all know how to put a guitar strap on, but just to show you. Put it on, and then when you want it off, just use your thumb, pull it off. Simple as that. That's not coming off. Super easy. I love them. Alright, thanks for watching. We'll see you next video. Bye.